when you go to a shelter wanting to adopt a dog, please don't look past the ones that look scared, the ones that are hiding or just sitting in a corner. They will probably be the most loving ones. They just don't understand why all of a sudden they are stuck in a loud, overcrowded place with no family, no house, and people they have never seen passing by and just looking at them. All they really want is to be loved again. So next time you see one of these scared-looking dogs at the shelter, don't immediately discard them or just walk by. I challenge you to give 5 minutes of your time to get to know them. Show them some love and affection. Let them know they can trust you. And I guarantee you will fall in love with them. And they will fall in love with you.